Guys, in this video, I'm going to tell you how I saved $2,000 from the dealership and only spent $5. If you want to know how you can save money, save your car, get better gas mileage, get better performance out your vehicle, make your vehicle last a long time, then watch this video from the beginning to the end and you will find out how.
We got Bruce up on the track.
This Audi RS5 has over 100,000 miles on it, and it purrs like a champ. Drives like a champ. It looks like a champ. So guys, when I tell you, please try it out, post a comment, let me know what you think. What's going on YouTube? YouTube is Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors, giving you guys another official video. Thank you to all my new subscribers, all my old subscribers, everyone that's been with me from day one. All right, guys, so as you can see, I'm currently in my Audi RS5. Isn't she beautiful? Don't you just love the yellow accents? Okay, guys, so I did the same thing to my actual big turbo Audi A5, and if no one is familiar with that, here it is right here.
Bye.
All right, guys, so pretty much I just want to kind of talk to you about this cool product that you can buy for your vehicle that can just essentially help your vehicle. There's also a specific reason why I'm utilizing it right now. Okay, so this item is going to be HEET. I know you guys are wondering what's going on. You want to put heat in your engine? What's happening here? So let me explain what HEET is, and let me also explain what it does for your vehicle, your car, your truck, or your engine. So it's not like the Matrix. You don't have to choose the blue pill or the red pill or the yellow pill or the red pill, right? It simply does different things. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is I'm going to talk about the yellow HEET. Bring the heat, guys. Bring the heat, guys. So as you can see, HEET is a gas line, antifreeze, and water removal. So what does that mean, guys? What that means is a lot of times when we're fueling at gas stations, if the gas station's fuel level is low, they have something called the Veeder-Root, which will let you know how much water is in their tanks. And let's be real, nothing is ever perfect. So as a result, sometimes some fuel may have water in it. So what HEET does is it removes the water from your fuel tank so that your car can run better, have better gas mileage, and with better gas mileage and with non-diluted fuel, you have a bigger and a better combustion. I know a couple of people in regions where their gas stations is not as pristine as Texas or other areas where it's been contaminated, there's been floods, to where their car just never performs the right way, and it's because you simply have a diluted filtration system in your fuel tank or some residue or residual water left behind. So what HEET does is it removes the water. And also, guys, I'm in Texas and we got a cold front coming. This also will help enable to where your vehicle fuel will not freeze, or the lines will not freeze up. It's almost, I would say, like it's almost like a coolant. It has an anti-effect to keep it to where it will not freeze. It helps with cold starts if you're in the colder region, and it helps prevent rust and corrosion. So that's the yellow HEET, guys. So I'm telling you, I use this in my vehicle and I feel like I'm cleaning my entire fuel system. It works amazingly when I'm using it, guys. When I tell you, if you use this when you're fueling, you will definitely see better results. I just realized maybe this should be my thumbnail. for the sake of it, get some HEET. I'm not endorsed by them. For the day one subscribers, you guys already know I love trying things on my vehicles to make sure that you guys are set up for success. All right, so here we go. I know you guys are thinking, man, that's amazing. What's going on with the red one? I tell you what's going on with the red one. It matches my engine, and I just think it looks cool. No, just kidding, guys. Okay, so the red HEET. Okay, so this one is also amazing. The red HEET, as you can see, it cleans your injectors to your car and it removes water. So if you're in a non-cold area where you never have to worry about the weather, right? A desert place or somewhere to buy, who knows? You just don't have to worry about the cold weather. This is going to be the one for you. It's year-round performance. It cleans your injectors. It removes the water and it prevents the fuel lines from having any antifreeze issue, and it also helps increase your gas mileage and your engine just runs smooth. Guys, this Audi RS5 has over 100,000 miles on it, and it purrs like a champ. It drives like a champ. It looks like a champ, right? So guys, when I tell you, please try it out, post a comment, let me know what you think. This is living proof. I put it in my vehicle. It helps tremendously. So guys, this is a service announcement video to say, please try HEET in your car. Tell me what you think. If you like videos like this, let me know. I was thinking about even doing some videos, kind of reacting to some of my subscribers' cars. Let me know, guys. So yeah, I just want to kind of share this great resource with you guys and how it ultimately helped me in my vehicle. My car wasn't running the way I needed to run. So guys, so the dealer said I would have to pay $150 to check the car, and they would have to run and clean out my lines to my vehicle because I felt like I was missing some spunks in my spark. My spark was just not sparking consistently the way it should. It wasn't a misfire, but I can just tell. And I put this in my vehicle and it went away completely, and my car runs like a champ. I'm telling you guys, don't waste your money on unnecessary things. Troubleshoot, start small, and then work your way up.